collaboration with Federal University Lokoja, cordially invites the general public to its first workshop and 73rd business meeting. Central theme: repositioning the administrative machinery of the Nigerian University System for global competitiveness. The role of registrars as key drivers. Sub-theme: critical issues in human resource management in the Nigerian University System. Reconfiguring for excellence. Resource persons and papers to be presented. Revisiting the KEFI, ABUAD declarations for excellence in university academic ceremonies, adopting a world-class standard for Nigerian universities, optimizing ICT solutions in university processes, the ChatGPT revolution, leadership and capacity building for administrators in the Nigerian university system, well-being and mental health for enhanced productivity in university administration. 8. Monday, 15th to Saturday the 20th of May 2023. Venues: Federal University Lokoja Senate Chamber, Old Senate Chamber, College of Health Sciences. Time: 10 a.m. daily. For more inquiries, visit the Federal University Lokoja website at www.fulokoja.edu.ng or call 08034989514. Local Organizing Committee. Announcer.